There is a growing anger over the violent attacks on minority Hindus in Bangladesh. Protests erupted in several parts of Northeast condemning the attacks led to the loss of at least 6 lives. From Guwahati to Agartala, protests were held outside the office of the Bangladesh Assistant High Commissioner demanding justice for the victims. And people were seen chanting slogans demanding the Bangladesh government to bring the perpetrators to justice. And the protesters also accused Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina of turning a blind eye to the incidents of violence. Well, violence erupted across Bangladesh after an objectionable photo hurting religious sentiments of Muslims was widely circulated on social media on Wednesday. Angry mobs attacked Hindu temples and clashed with police in various parts of Bangladesh in the following days, leaving at least 6 people dead and more than 100 injured. So there you can see the people were seen chanting slogans demanding the Bangladesh government to bring the perpetrators to justice. And just a quick recap for our viewers here. Well, on last Wednesday, communal violence broke out in several places in Bangladesh after news on social media about the alleged desecration of the Holy Quran at a Durga Puja venue on the bank of Nawar Dighi. And several puja venues were also vandalized in the area of Chandpur, Chittagong, Gazipur, Bandarban and Maulvi Bazar. Well, not only this, a mob also allegedly attacked an ISKCON temple in Bangladesh's Noakhali district on Friday. And according to the community, one of its members were also killed. Well, the alleged attack on the temple took place despite assurances by Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina of strict action after incidents of communal violence and attacks on Hindu temples were reported. So, big story we are tracking this evening, viewers. So, there's a growing anger over the violent attacks on minority Hindus in Bangladesh. And there you can see on your screens, protests erupted in several parts of Northeast condemning the attack led to the loss of at least 6 lives. And in Guwahati, protesters gathered outside the office of the Bangladesh Assistant High Commissioner to register their opposition to the violent incidents. People were seen chanting slogans demanding the Bangladesh government to bring the perpetrators to justice. The protesters also submitted a letter to the Bangladesh Assistant High Commissioner. And speaking to media persons on the sidelines of the protest, BJP leader Shiladitya Deb urged Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina to follow the footsteps of her late father and ensure protection to minorities. They have also expressed concern over the decline of the Hindu population in Bangladesh. Meanwhile, a massive protest was held in Silchar against the recent violence in Bangladesh. Members of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bajrang Dal led the protest, which saw participation of hundreds. VHP and Bajrang Dal members also took out a bike rally in Silchar. The protesters demanded Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina to take stern action against the perpetrators. Agitated protesters also demanded the Bangladesh government to ensure protection of minorities.
जो जिहादी ने ऐसे हरकत किया, उन लोगों का फांसी का सजा होना चाहिए। हम लोगों को, औरत लोगों को दिन के दिन ऐसे अत्याचार कर रही है, उसका भी हम लोग प्रतिवाद करते हैं, उसका भी जवाब चाहिए। शेख हसीना, आपको जवाब देना चाहिए। ऐसे हम लोग एक लड़की लोगों का घर से निकाल नहीं सकते। क्या चाहते हो आप लोग?
बांग्लादेश का हिंदू भगाने का एक षड्यंत्र है। ये षड्यंत्र ज्यादा से ज्यादा मौलवादी लोग कर रहा है। हमारा दुख इस बात की है, ये सरकार जानते हुए भी पहले दिन घटना के बाद आज तक घटना थामा नहीं। क्यों?
Meanwhile, in Tripura capital Agartala too, a protest was held outside the office of the Bangladesh Assistant High Commissioner.
बांग्लादेश में जो हमारा सनातन हिंदू के ऊपर प्रतिनियत आक्रमण हो रहा है ना, और हमारा जो मंदिर और मूर्ति को भांगचूर कर रहा है ना, जो हिंदू भाई बहन सनातन भाई बहन को ना खून कर रहा है ना बांग्लादेश में, उसके विरुद्ध में हम अगरतला में बांग्लादेश की राष्ट्रदूत के बासभवन के सामने विरोध प्रदर्शन करने के लिए इकट्ठा हुआ। हमारा डिमांड है बांग्लादेश में जो कुछ हो रहा है ना, वो जल्दी से जल्द बंद होना चाहिए। मैं आपके माध्यम से इस त्रिपुरा के और हमारा देश के सभी सनातनी हिंदू भाई बहन को ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, आप सब आवाज़ उठाइए, वो बांग्लादेश सनातन भाई बंधु को साथ में खड़ा होइए, सब घर से निकाल आइए, आप सब लोग निकाल के ये जो आक्रमण हो रहा है हमारे सनातनी भाई बहनों ऊपर, उनके विरुद्ध में आवाज़ उठाइए।
Meanwhile, President of Central Puja Committee Meghalaya, Naba Bhattacharjee, also condemned the violence in Bangladesh and demanded that the perpetrators be brought to book.
It was very unfortunate that particularly during the Durga Puja celebrations, when there was large-scale violence, vandalism, the puja pandals were razed to the ground, and even there have been a few deaths, including a child. So that is really unacceptable. Urged the government of Bangladesh, through our Chief Minister, we are also going to submit a memorandum to the Prime Minister to take up this issue, so that these perpetrators of the crime are reined in and stringent deterrent action is taken, so that it does not occur in any other places of the world against any religious minorities anywhere on this earth.
Meanwhile, the West Bengal government has alerted its district administrations, particularly those bordering Bangladesh, against the misuse of social media and circulation of fake news related to the recent spate of attacks during Durga Puja in the neighboring country, and urged them to take measures to maintain law and order. All state agencies have been asked to be on toes to combat any attempt to create disturbances anywhere in Bengal.